Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, The Token Trackers, and in this video we are going to be looking at some swapping issues that people are currently facing in the Synindra project, and we are also going to be discussing some things regarding to the claiming and also the any challenge that you might be facing in the Synindra project. This is a project that I strongly believe that it is going to cook massively. So it is a project that I don't expect anybody in the community to be joking with. I expect you to be putting in your maximum amount of efforts to make sure that you position right for this particular project. So that is what we're going to be discussing. But before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel or if you are not yet subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So once you come here, the first thing is to claim. I've discovered that a lot of people are having issues with the claiming. When they claim, they keep getting error message. Now if you look at it, I just tap on it right now and you can see it's successfully claimed. So it's as simple as that, no face verification. But I realize that a lot of people are still having face verification. So why are you having face verification while some people are not having? Well, I've shared some videos because some people are still using their past data storage of the Synindra app. You know, once Synindra run updates, it automatically updates on your phone, on the app. You don't need to manually do it, it automatically updates. So now if you are still having issues, what I suggest you should do is this. Now before I come back to that, let me quickly go through this. This is what pushed me to make this particular video. Now I made this post on X, and the handle said, "Dear Synindra family, when swapping your ST tokens into SDA, sometimes it may take 48 hours, but if your face verification fail, the swap will be cancelled. Are your SDA to SDA swapping working fine?" So for me, my own is working fine. Now why did I bring this swapping? I want to bring this swapping because it is a similar thing that you pass through when you are claiming and when you are swapping. Now if you are swapping and it is showing you face verification error and it keeps repeating, what I would suggest is that you should go and clear the history of your Synindra app. So how can you do it? Or log out of your app. That's the first thing. The first thing I will tell you to do is log out of it. Now before you log out, make sure that you save your password. Make sure that you have your password saved somewhere. Don't come and hold me that I say you should log out, and then when you logged out you didn't have the password to log in back again. Make sure you first secure your password, then log out, then log in again and try the claiming. Now if it does not work, if the claiming does not work, or if your swapping does not work, then you need to go and clear the history of your app. So I made a video about this particular option before, and a lot of people came to my channel and then my Telegram community to say that it worked for them. So that is the second method I'm giving you right now. So the second method is that you need to head over to your settings and locate the app management. So once you enter the app management, go to app list. So you can see app list right here. So once you click on it and you see the list of your app, just go ahead, pick Synindra or search for Synindra. So once you search that Synindra, clear all storage, clear all the cache. Now what that one means is that they are going to clear all storage, all stored data on that particular app, the Synindra app, which means that they will also automatically lock you out of the app. So that is it. So once they lock you out of the app, you will need to log in back, and once you log in back, try claiming again, try swapping again, and believe me, it is going to work for you. Now if you come back to this post right here, you can see token swap is in progress. So they already told you here that the claiming is not like before. So you might claim and it will take you 48 hours instead of 24 hours, or you know, like that. So when it is taking too long, don't complain, because me actually I've witnessed this. I've tried to swap before and it took about 48 hours before the swap was successful. I think that was the last time I swapped. And then if you come right here, you can see that this person said this issue is not working for me for more than 12 weeks now. 12 weeks now is roughly how many months? That should be like 3 months. Well, now another person said face landmark failed. I cannot claim any token since over a week now. Even the swap is a problem. So it's still the same issue that this person is raising right here. Say at all swapping is not working almost 3 months. So this person 3 months, it's been several months and I haven't been able to make the change. Not so most of all these replies and comments here are complaints that they are unable to claim, and then the swap keeps failing. And that is why I decided to come up with this video, guys. So please make sure that you follow what I've shared with you, and you are going to thank me later. So it is very, very important, and I just thought of sharing it with the community because I know a lot of people even in our community will still be facing this kind of crisis. So make sure that you go and resolve that, and then also share this video, let it go to more people so that it can help a lot of people that are passing through this. Unfortunately, these people are on X. I don't have any connection with them, and I don't know how I can spread this video to them so that they can see and then resolve the problem with the account and then start earning their tokens, because as they are missing hugely, and it is a project that we shouldn't be missing like that, guys. We shouldn't be missing like that at all. So well, if you are having issues with mining and you have spare money that you can buy to hold, guys, find a way to buy it. It is not a financial advice, but at the same time, do your research and then look into it. Buy some Synindra tokens and hold if you have the capacity. If you have the means, just buy it and hold. And for those of you who have not yet started mining, don't forget the link will be in the comment section and also in the description section for you to join and start mining. Remember, I've been discussing about the KYC. Let me just add that one too, because a lot of people too have not also done their KYC. If you have not done your KYC, I will drop a link to my Telegram channel, so it will be in the comment section or in the description section. What you need to do is join my Telegram channel. So once you join, or just comment there that you want to do your Synindra KYC. Just comment there and I will take it from there. As long as you are in Nigeria, that is only for Nigerians. And for Ghanaians, my Ghanaian beautiful people, I've decided to take it upon myself to figure out how you can complete your KYC. I'm working on it and I'm almost there. I've made a video about other countries. If you are in US, if you are from India, you are from Philippines, you are from any country, I've made a video how you can open a branch in your place and start doing KYC for other people. That's it, and I just thought of sharing it with you in this particular video. So if you are new into my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. The link will be in the comment section and also in the description section so that you can join and start participating immediately. So it's very, very important.